Welcome everyone to the second night of Hanukkah. As you can see, there are 2 candles and the shamus. I am making these videos before sundown, so the candles aren't lit yet, but I hope that you and your family are having a wonderful celebration. For this second night of Hanukkah, I want to teach you the melody for Hanukkah, O Hanukkah, so you can play this as an instrumental or as an instrumental break in the middle of the singing and strumming. It's a wonderful thing to do, to play single note melodies with your friends strumming along. Everything you need to follow along with this lesson is going to be right here on the screen for you. But if you'd like to get a printable version of this song book, something you can enjoy with your family, there are links down below. Thank you so much. Let's get right into it. Let's just talk about picking. I like to use my thumb to pick single note melodies. I do this by holding onto the ukulele like this and using my thumb. You don't need a long thumbnail to do this. Just pluck the string and get a full tone. Some people like to pluck like classical guitar using index and middle, and some people like to use guitar picks to pick. However you like to pick is totally cool. There is, later on in this lesson, I'll be sharing with you a tremolo technique, and that's a way of sustaining the note by rapidly alternating your picking finger. I'll teach that later on. Right now, let's just play through this melody slowly, just a very slow motion practice, then we'll put on the metronome and play along. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Second line. Just let that tremolo go for now. Last section here. Repeat, here we go. And we end with an A minor chord, or repeat back to play it faster and faster and faster. Now, for the high melody, we begin, same melody, it's just an octave higher. A lot of it is going to be right here on the first string. Let's play it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, go. Leave the tremolo out for now. 2, 3, 4. Repeat, here we go. And we end on a different voicing of A minor. Middle finger 4th fret, 3rd finger 5th fret, 1st finger 3rd fret. You can just choose whichever register you like to play. Couple of things now, some details. First of all, you'll want to play this very slowly, just getting comfortable with the fingering, the placement of the notes. When you feel comfortable with that, wonderful thing to do is to add the tremolo. In the notation, you can see that there are 3 diagonal lines on some notes. That's a marking to sustain the note with tremolo. And that's an optional embellishment you can put into the music. Tremolo is striking the string rapidly to create a sustained effect. You could even do it on every note once you're comfortable with it. It has the effect of a mandolin being picked. Use the index finger, 1st string 7th fret, and what we're going to do is we're going to rest the thumb on the 2nd string and pick back and forth nice and slowly. You see, I'm extending the fingernail and then picking as I come back. My hand is relaxed and slowly pick up the pace. And you can practice going back and forth and slow it down. This is a great exercise to do just for a couple of minutes. You'll develop the technique quickly, practicing one, resting, practicing it again. Start slow, faster. Okay, and the whole time I'm doing this, trying to keep a relaxed touch. You know what helps the relaxed touch? It's the corners of the mouth. It's true. You know, anytime we come across anything difficult in our music, wonderful just to remember to smile. It relaxes everything. Breathe deep, take that relaxed feeling throughout the entire technique. Once you're comfortable with this, you can start to bring it into the melody. Little embellishments can make a big difference. They're optional, of course. You do not have to play it with tremolo. Let's play the whole thing together. We'll do it at a slowed pace, 112 beats a minute. We'll have a rhythm track, and we'll also have the melody for you to play along with. Thanks so much for joining me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click the links down below if you'd like to get a printable version of this Hanukkah song packet. Wishing you and your family a joyful Hanukkah celebration. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks.